Alright guys, here she is. Sorry this video took longer than expected. I've been super busy. It's tax season right now. My line of work, I'm directly affected by how busy it is because of taxes. But anywho, here she sits. This is the 3-inch lift from HRG. Honestly, I put these sides, these little side bars on there. It makes it look lower than it appeared or it looks without it, because it kind of blocks, I don't know, the 2-3 inches of lift that I got with. So yeah, my phone rang. In any case, this is another day, but I read that somebody wanted to look at the bull bar in front. Kitty. With the lights installed. So there you go. Yeah, let me know if you want to see anything else. But I think it was like $800 for the lift, all in all. The bull bar was $250. The lights were $120, I believe. So was it worth it? From a cost perspective, no. Would I do it again? Yeah, for sure.